So one thing which I noticed about the BRZ is that unlike most white BRZs, this one had black side mirrors. And I thought it was kind of weird and I wasn't sure exactly why. But the closer I look at it, the more I realize that it's actually just wrapped. Because the factory one, it's kind of a two-tone, half white, half black. So I actually saw over here, if you take a look right there, that there's some wrap on here. So if I start peeling this wrap, see if I could get in there, I can actually see there's a white mirror poking through. So that got me pretty excited because I kind of like the two-tone look. And plus this wrap looks like it's seen better days. So I'm just going to see if I could peel this off. Oh yeah. Nice. I personally prefer it without this wrap. Let me see if I could pull this off without damaging the mirror here. I require a little bit of finagling. There it goes. There it goes. There we go. It's coming off. Not sure if I'm going to be able to take it all off in one piece. Let's see here. If I could reach in, pull it up a little bit to get it started. Whoever did this seems to have done a pretty good job. The only thing is the wrap they use is really, really cheap. So I'm not sure if you can see, but this looks matte and kind of old and sun-beaten. So I'd prefer it without this wrap. There we go. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like after. Which I think is going to be much cleaner. Trying to pull this off without damaging any of the mirror. Oh yeah. There we go. The two-tone look, I think, is much better. That's the factory look. And I'm pretty sure that the rest of this is just the factory plastic. Yeah, it doesn't look like any of that is wrap. There we go. So what do you guys think? Is it nicer this way, to have the factory two-tone white, or this way just to have it all blacked out? Let me know what you think in the comments below. More videos coming soon, guys. Subscribe and stay tuned.